adorable.
Is that little baby bear?
Yeah, let me see. I gotta check the batteries. See if he's right. But this is a tiny little. It's one of our neighbors. This little black bear cub. Who would like?
Is it okay to be away from its mom?
She absolutely is. This is a great age.
Are you sure?
How old is this bear?
Believe it or not, she's just about 2 months old, and they're born during hibernation. So the mother, Rachel, can you imagine waking up from a nap and having a baby attached, nursing right there? So Cece and her brother, again, were born, and they play together all the time. And we're talking about party animals, and this is just about the age where she's going to explore, she's going to get really playful. And as you well know, people that travel to upstate New York and throughout the country.
We have tons of little black and brown bears.
And when do black bears get in the most trouble?
Yeah.
At nighttime.
At nighttime.
So at nighttime is when little black bears, cubs all the way up to adults, that's when they get in your garbage cans. The old proverb is don't feed bears, and the reason being is that if you feed a bear, they're very, again, they're very mischievous, they're very curious, and even when they're 150 pounds, they will climb into any area to find food and to kind of be, they've been able to deliver.
How big is this animal going to get?
Believe it or not, she will get, she's a little small. She's, I would say, kind of the runt of the litter. That's why she's so tiny. But as she gets bigger, she will probably attain a weight of about 60 pounds. Exactly. So isn't she beautiful? So
she's gorgeous. Hi, Cece. Okay, what's next?
Okay, now we're going to introduce you to the life of the party. Now, this guy, not so much by his size or his appearance, but it's really his sound. He's
oh my God, he's giggling. Is it a laughing hyena?
It's a laughing something.
I was going to say Will Ferrell.
It's a laughing Kookaburra. Look at this guy.
Kookaburra.
These are so loud.
There we go.
He's performing.
He's performing. Now, and I almost had to do the trick. Now, he's a laughing kookaburra all the way from Australia. So normally I usually have to do this. So if you ever... this is Quigley, and Quigley is the laughing kookaburra.
Quigley down under,
yeah,
so cute.
He is so awesome.
Hi, Craig.
And my favorite thing about Kookaburra, I have a really good friend that lives...
So Kookaburra lives in an old gum tree, like, is that where they live,
yeah,
right?
Exactly. So he would normally sit up in a gum tree. And my favorite, one of my good friends lives in Australia, and he refers to these, because you can find them out in the outback, and even in the cities, like in Sydney and Perth, and they call him the hangover bird, because they call him the hangover bird, and this is another what makes it a good party animal, is that in addition to making the calls for territory and to alert, but they're like the roosters of Australia.
Right, they wake you up.
As soon as there's a little bit of daylight, so can you imagine having a hangover and these kookaburras, 10 of them
oh my God.
going off at the same time, and they've really adapted.
That's like a blowhorn at a sports event,
yeah,
right?
It's like, should we have one more?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes.
So let's do our final party animal, and this is a real treat. This guy is unfortunately, one of the most endangered primates of all. There's only a few thousand left in the world.
I love me a primate.
And this little girl, she is part of a very crucial conservation project. There's only a couple hundred of these that are being bred, and let's meet her right away. This is little Misha. And little Misha.
She's precious.
Wow.
She is.
Is that her little stuffed toy?
This is her little friend, right? And I'm going to. Oh, there we go. I guess I'm her little stuffed toy at the moment. But now, what's amazing is to see this one as a youngster. She's only 6 months old. Let's bring her over this way. And
is that your toy?
That's her little friend. Now, she has one of the best lives in the world because she gets to hang out with humans. She has all of her toys. She has a little buddy that is going to potentially be her mate. And what this is a mandrill. And mandrills, most people will only recognize what a mandrill is from Rafiki from The Lion King.
Yes.
Oh my God, she's adorable.
Isn't she beautiful? Her name is Misha.
Hi, Misha.
And Misha, again, is part of a conservation project.
Oh, Misha loves her.
And they're found in the Congo. They're amazing. They're the large
gummy bears.
She's eating gummies.
Those are little gummy vitamins. So she gets her vitamins just like a little kid would through her gummies. But yeah, look at her. She's great. Now mandrills are the largest species of monkeys. So compared to in a male mandrill, those are the guys with the big red butts, and it's almost like their mood ring is that they actually. You can tell their temperament by the color of their butt, but see how social she is. Now, what makes her a party animal is she is the most social. She's a socialite.
Thank you, Jared.
You're
Those
welcome.
weren't scary at all.